Andrew Wilson, Earnhardt Lexus on Camelback in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to go over some how-tos and tech tips with your Lexus. Also, follow me in my socials linked in descriptions. Hi, Andrew Wilson, Earnhardt Lexus on Camelback. Did your mirror stop folding in when you locked the doors? Let me show you what it could probably be. If you look right here where the auto button is and the mirrors, just make sure that light is on. If that light is on, that means those mirrors are going to start folding in again. And start enjoying some folding mirrors when you lock the doors. Don't forget to follow me on my socials for weekly updates on your Lexus. Also, for any immediate questions, just email me at andrew.wilson@earnhardt.com. Thank you.